We're here in New Smyrna. We're at Sonny's Sunsplash Nursery. Sonny, he does a little bit of everything. One of the things he does and does really well is make honey.
All right, so now we're pulling out a frame. This is a frame of honey.
Gracious.
That's all capped and ready to be extracted. We need to go in the extraction room and open this up and put it in the extractor and spin some honey out.
As a beekeeper, this is an exciting moment, right?
This is a very exciting moment. Like it is with people that make beer or wine, you have to make up your batch and sit and wait for it all to become ready to bottle. It's using centrifugal force, and it's going to ooze down to the bottom where it collects and comes out the bottom spout.
Hence extraction. Oh, that smells so good. Woo! So Sonny, this is black mangrove honey, correct?
It is, straight from the river.
So I guess I'm a little confused. I didn't know mangroves had a blossom.
Yeah, believe it or not, mangroves have a flower.
So I've traveled all over Florida. I've tasted Tupelo honey, orange blossom honey. So I'm a little bit of a honey snob. So how is this going to stack up when I taste it?
Every customer we test, without fail, says this stuff is the best stuff that ever touched our lips.
Oh, I'm ready. I am ready.
And we're ready to get some honey out of here because here come the bees. They smell it and they want it too. So now we are putting the mangrove through the filter in the top, and it's coming out the bottom without all the chunks of wax in it.
Is this it? Wow. Hot off the press, right?
Hot off the press.
Let's go outside and taste it. It is a real unique taste. It has just a taste I'm not familiar with. You know,
it's different.
Yeah, it is different.
It's distinctive.
It is distinctive, but it's really good. You need to come and try this honey. It has such a unique, distinctive taste. It tastes local. If you're from New Smyrna, from Florida, you've spent time around mangroves, it is in this bottle and it is good. Sonny, you did a jam-up job here, sir.